anybody who is very familiar with his antecedent, with his principle, with his philosophy over time, should join anybody to believe that in a matter where he had written a book, that he had published, that had been in circulation, that if anybody, somebody who has a brain, should join others to believe that he has sent anybody to beg anybody, he said he will be so disappointed in that person.
Legal practitioner and human rights activist Dele Farotimi discloses that he did not ask anyone to beg Afe Babalola's son, who dragged him to court for defamation. Farotimi is currently facing trial in a magistrate court in Ado-Ekiti, Ekiti State, following a petition by Babalola over his book Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. He is currently in detention pending when a bail of 50 million naira is met, the Punch stated. Prior to Farotimi's statement, the 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, recently paid Babalola a visit, with sources claiming it was to appeal on Farotimi's behalf. Speaking during an interview with Inside Sources on Sunday, Tokwe Temokun, a member of the Farotimi's legal team, quoted Farotimi as saying, "If anybody familiar with my antecedent, my principles, would believe I sent anyone to beg anybody, that would be a disappointment." Temokun met with him at the Correctional Center in Ekiti on Friday, disclosed that Farotimi denied initiating any mediation efforts, emphasizing his firm stance on the matter. Farotimi categorically told me, "Anyone familiar with my principles and philosophy will know I could never send anyone to beg or seek reconciliation. If anyone believes otherwise, I'll be deeply disappointed," Temokun said. Also, he debunks claims that his client sent Peter Obi, the 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate, to seek reconciliation with legal icon Afe Babalola. Farotimi is also facing petitions from other legal practitioners who also claimed he defamed them in his book. Meanwhile, a petition has been forwarded by Babalola to the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee, LPDC, urging the body to bar Farotimi from legal practice. Standing by his book, Farotimi through Temokun said everything he wrote in the book is true, and those fighting him are fighting the truth. Temokun concluded that Farotimi is indeed in very high spirits, and that the only weapon in his struggle is the truth. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.